How you doing, folks? Unfortunately, I've had to make the difficult decision to sell this 1974 MGB here. Now, I know a lot of you have been following my progress on this car over the last couple of years, but when you consider it, there are project cars stuck in garages all over the country that'll never be finished, and I know myself that this is going to end up being one of them, okay? And this car deserves more than that. So I've got a buyer for it already. I've taken a deposit, and the chap who's buying it is going to stick a V8 engine in it by all accounts, and it'll be modified, but the bodywork will be done very, very well by all accounts as well. So it'll get what it needs. It's far too much for me, to be honest with you. I don't have the money, I don't have the time, and I don't have the inclination to learn how to do the bodywork. So there's several reasons why I've come to this decision, and I think I've been mulling it over for a little while, and I think I am coming to the right decision on this. I'm selling it with a lot of the kind of the spares and the bits that I've kind of acquired for it or repaired for it and stuff like that. But the man who's buying it knows full well that there is a lot to be done. You know, I mean, I've gotten places with it, yes, okay, but you know, I mean, that being said, you know, look, I think we need to do. We need to be realistic about this. So he'll probably be collecting it in the next couple of weeks. And looking at it from a future perspective as well, it clears space in my garage for future projects that may crop up. I think any projects that I tackle will be not of the bodywork type. I don't have the inclination or the time to learn how to do bodywork, and I tried it and lost interest fairly quick, and I just said, no, this is not for me. The brown MG that I have since bought is much more my speed, simply because of the fact that the bodywork is absolutely fine. It needed a bit of a mechanical restoration. It got that mechanical restoration. I enjoyed doing it, and I now have a car that's actually driving, and I'm really happy with it. So what I would be doing in the future is I'd be kind of looking out for projects similar to that, maybe with a little bit of bodywork. But this car, realistically, there's no panel that's not affected by rust in some way, shape or form on it. So, you know, it's far more than I want to do. But in the meantime, offloading this will give me time to take on the Beetle, get the few jobs done on the camper, the few bits on the Golf, and then I have a new 2-post ramp that I'm going to be putting up in the garage as well. So yeah, that's going to be another job to be done, and that will mean taking out some of the rafters in here. I'm actually going to put the ramp where this MG is, and that'll be a big game changer. You probably saw, if you follow my community posts, you'll have seen I put up a photo of it. I just, you know, I need to get around to actually getting it assembled and wired in, and get the shed modified for it and all that as well. So yeah, so that's what's kind of coming down the tracks. I know I haven't been very active on YouTube for the last few weeks. Just started a new job, so that's kind of taken my focus. I'm absolutely thrilled in the new job, so that's a big thing for me. So yeah, there's that, and then coming up to Christmas as well, we've also, you know, obviously there's the family commitments, and you know, I have 2 kids and everything as well. So many things come before making YouTube videos. So you know, such as it is, but it is also, you know, that kind of leads on to nicely as to why this car needs to find a new home, and has found a new home. So yeah, anyway, look, thanks for watching, folks. I do have some work coming up over the next while, which I'm going to be videoing, and I'll get you guys included in that. So I'll chat to you soon, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you in a future video.